first video with you. So in this video I'm making my 2024 bullet journal setup. For this year's theme I wanted to create something cute and simple. For the cover page I decided to draw a mirror which reflects stars, flowers, books like cute and magical things, representing how I want to create my life through this year. At first I sketched them with the pencil and then used the black gel pen. Decided to use a bright color palette which goes well with this theme. Also, I added some cute details with the gold gel pen. For the quote page, I used the quote I am creating the life of my dreams, which is one of my favorite quotes, and I think it is really inspiring for the beginning of the year. And I drew some flowers around it and also added little details. Here's my future log for this year. I used this spread to write the birthdays, important days and holidays of each month. Actually, I don't expect to write anything more than that, so I decided to add all 12 months in this page. always been very careful not to mess up the days and dates when making the future log. In here, I created a fun page to write down 24 things that I want to do in this year 2024. I hope to create a list of things that I'm always excited to do or have never tried before. It's one of my favorite pages from this year's setup. I decided to add little fun doodles at the bottom of the page. For this yearly goals page, I used only half of the page as I'm expecting to add only the big goals in here, and I'll break them down into monthly, weekly and daily goals in my future monthly spreads. For the other half of this page, I made a little envelope to put a letter to myself about how I want to spend this year by appreciating every moment and creating my dream life. And here's a quick flip through of my 2024 yearly bullet journal setup. And I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching and good luck for the new year.